Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Medieval Dynasty. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft the wooden spear on the Medieval Dynasty game. So let's get started right away. Now, when you first start your game, at the first location where your story begins, you will be given the basic tutorials on how you can survive and navigate. Now, in order to build up your resources, you will need to craft various different tools and weapons. Among these, the most basic is the wooden spear, which requires you to acquire just one log. However, in order to craft this item, you will first require an axe in order to chop down trees. So in order to create an axe, you will simply need to collect 10 sticks and 2 stones. Now as you can see that I already have the stick part covered, so I just need to find the 2 stones. Just look around for stones on the ground, and once you find it, you can collect it to craft your item. Once you have enough stones, just press the Q button to enter the creation menu, then go into handcrafting. From here, you can now select the stone axe, which can be crafted, and once it is done, you will be able to equip it and use it as your weapon. Once you have this axe, just go and find any tree in order to cut and build your wooden spear. Once you cut down the tree, you can chop it into smaller pieces in order to collect the log. Once you have acquired the logs, you can go back to the crafting menu and simply choose the wooden spear option. And now once you have crafted the wooden spear, you can equip this within your slot and use it as a weapon. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to craft the wooden spear on the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.